For the whānau in this centre, planning supports their work. At their regular planning sessions, they plan around and discuss language, songs, resources, trips, individual needs and interests, activities and spontaneous events. At this kohanga reo, only Māori is spoken. However, the reality is that the whānau in the main are second language learners and speakers of te reo Māori. Although fluent, they rely on research. Kupu hou and increasingly complex grammatical structures linked to each kaupapa are found and introduced to the children.
It's not an easy venture to regenerate a language if that language has skipped a generation or two, has become threatened and is no longer the language of one's birth. Therefore, the language goal as a living, breathing, community language is central to the philosophy of kohanga reo. In our kohanga reo, we are always seeking ways of supporting and maintaining our own Māori language learning through self-evaluation, discussion, professional development and ongoing research. For example, the Williams and Ngata dictionaries are our Bibles, used constantly as reference and research tools.
Kaioko use Wayata in the program enthusiastically. Wayata give children opportunities to use several senses at once to learn language. Through rhyme and rhythm, repetition, melody and movement, children quickly pick up new language. Kaioko use all the Wayata they already know to support the kaupapa. Sometimes they'll write new songs. This, of course, allows the opportunity to introduce new vocabulary. This Wayata supports the Ranginui and Papatuanuku kaupapa, and another one to the tune of a well-known children's song was written and introduced in the days before an outing to the lake, where the children plan to clean up the environment and pay tribute to Papatuanuku. An important part of planning is considering the individual needs and interests of the children.
Even though we have an overarching weekly plan, there is flexibility within the program that allows for and encourages children to follow their own interests and create different pathways if they so wish. We do not adhere religiously to a predetermined plan or outcome. That is an important aspect of te Amokura.